What's up guys, I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another Jake's Cobra Eden Editor editorial. In the previous video we constructed this little baby, and that is an auto repair refuel rearm for land vehicles. So what we want to do this episode is we're going to work on doing the same for helicopters, which will probably get used way more because helicopters normally get used for reinsertion, CAS support, that kind of stuff. So they need to rearm, refuel and even repair quite often. So let's go and set up a little area. Heli, we're going to get some kind of helipad. Let me see. Yeah, let's go helipad civil. Let's put it down here. Oops, there we go. And let's put a couple of things down so we can actually see it. Let's just do that. Put a couple of lights down. Yeah, that looks okay. What we're going to do next, we're going to get a trigger. Use a little square one again, put it in the center. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Make it, let's say, 8 by 8. Type is none. Activation is by blue 4. When blue 4 is present, it's repeatable. We're going to copy over the condition again. So let's go and fetch the condition. Condition is going to be this little part. Obviously all of this will be down in the description again. YouTube does not allow me to put all these fancy brackets and stuff in the description, so this will most likely be a link to a Google Doc again. Cool. If it is kind of a helicopter and it's touching the ground, now be careful with this. If your landing pad is, or your repair pad is a little bit elevated, this is not going to work because the helicopter is not physically touching the ground. Then you have to say and height is less than a certain height. Okay, and speed is 0. In other words, the helicopter has come to a full stop. Add this to the list. Okay, next thing we're going to do is what is going to happen on activation. We obviously want to call up the SQF file, which is going to be this little script. Get back into the trigger, put that in there. Call if the vehicle that's in that area is part of this list that we added there. Execute scripts service heli. Now the backslash, remember that is for the directory it is in. So we've got a capital letter scripts backslash service heli.skf. Now obviously you have to create this SQF now. So let's do that. It's in documents, under your profile, go to multiplayer missions because that's where I saved it. YouTube tutorial, there we go. Scripts, service heli. So make a new text document and we're going to call this service heli .skf. Yes, that's what we want to call it. And then we're going to put in this piece of script into that. Copy that over. Oh, wrong place. Where is that SQF? Where is that SQF? There we go. Copy that in and save it. All this does is get a text config. It's going to check if that vehicle is part of the heli list, and we want to display the helicopter's name. So if it's kind of the helicopter and there's a driver in the vehicle, it will then tell you in the side chat servicing whatever the vehicle's name is. It will drain the fuel, wait 3 seconds, put ammo back to 1, which means it's rearmed. Wait 3 seconds, put the damage down to 0, set the fuel back up to 1, and then it will tell you it's finished servicing. Oops, not save as. We just want to save this. file, save, done. We should be sorted now. So let's close those, get back into Arma, and let's put down a helicopter for us to use. Let's go NATO because that's what we're using. Helicopters, let's just put down a pony. Yeah, because it's got ammo and everything. We're going to play this in multiplayer. Let's save the file, multiplayer. We want to go whatever. There is a script that I can show you if you want to see it, that actually checks whether or not you're a pilot, and that will allow you or disallow you to fly any helicopters. But yeah, let me know if you're interested in that, and I can show you that little script as well. It's not that complicated. A lot of these scripts that I'm showing you guys now, I have not done it all from myself. Some of them I got from Arma3 and things like that, and it's been modified by myself to fit the way that, or to do it the way I would like it to do. I'm not a master scripter. Okay, so let's take off with the pony. Gonna shoot a few rounds, it's gonna be loud, and then we're gonna go and land and service the pony. Let's go land this puppy. Where's my little babies? Go down, go down. There we go, it cuts the fuel, starts with servicing the pony, pony rearmed, pony repaired, pony refueled, service complete. You'll see my ammo is back to where it was, my HE rockets are back to where it was, so it's working perfectly fine. Let's get out of this chopper. So guys, I hope that helped you to get that done. This gets used often, especially in public missions. Pilots are as bad as I am in the public missions. So if you're going to run something that's not part of unit, it's very handy to have areas like that one where you can repair vehicles, areas like that where you can rearm, refuel, repair your helicopters. That's it. Guys, I hope this was helpful, and remember, if first time viewer, bash the subscribe button to see more videos. I do Zeus videos, I do Let's Play videos, and obviously I do editorial videos. Links to my Patreon, my Discord, my Facebook will be down below in the description, as well as links to my unit, which is Last Resort Gaming. And obviously the scripts will be linked to a Google Doc. So guys, I hope this was helpful. Remember to bash that like button if it was. Share my videos, help me grow my channel, much appreciated. And enjoy Arma and enjoy making some missions. Cheers guys, see you in the next one.